So I was gifted this to give my honest review on the product. It is Leather Honey Leather Care Kit, and I wanted to check it out and try it in my car because I have a sports mom, I have a lot of baseball dirt, and I have leather seats in my car. So I just wanted to unpackage it here. Look how nice it comes. It kind of even has a QR code to scan. It comes with 2 bottles, the cleaner and the conditioner and some rags. So let's check it out. So as you can see, this is the back of the seat in front of my toddler. We've had a lot of snow, and his snow boots have literally put salt and stuff all over the back of my leather covering. I have a car seat cover there, so this is faux leather, but this kit also works with faux leather, so we're gonna give it a try and we'll see what happens. So it says to take a little bit and put it on a sample right here. And then we are going to wipe the seat with it. Now look at the difference so far. So this still hasn't been done and cleaned. This has been cleaned. And it's like completely brand new looking. Obviously it has to dry because it says it has to dry for a little bit, but huge difference. You can also see that the rag is dirty. So it's clearly taking all the dirt off, and it's leaving it nice and clean and brand new looking. I'm going to show you the after. So as you can see, it literally cleaned the car, the back of the seat where my toddler had been kicking and leaving dirt from baseball games, snow, and salt on the streets. And it looks like a completely brand new back of the seat. The stuff works. Also, one of the things that I read was if you just have real leather, you're gonna want to put conditioner on it. I was just cleaning faux leather, but this also needs to be put on real leather. Check it out. I'm gonna keep doing other portions of it.